enable themselves, unmute themselves, enable waiting room, and okay. Good morning, class. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. How are you all? How you are doing? Very good. So please, I will appreciate if you switch on your cameras. Yes, Maha, Mira, Hafsa, Nawal, I can see you all, the guys. So, okay, good, Gla Mustafa, very nice. So today, guys, we are having a very interesting topic, and we are gonna write the composition on a different topic. So I will, inshallah, share with you, and I will make you understand. If you give concentration, if you give your attention, so this class is gonna be so interesting. Okay. So should we start, my dear? Yes, Fortune. Yes. Alina Abid, Walaikum Assalam. Ruman Jahangir, good morning. And Amna Sham, Walaikum Assalam. Everyone. So we should start our lecture. Okay? Share screen. I'm gonna share a screen. Okay, guys. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are having our English language class. So please take out your English language copy, as you have all copies, literature and language with you. Okay? Yes, hi beta. So guys, have you taken out English language copy? Okay? So we are having our English language class, and today we are going to learn how to write composition, as you have done already in your midterm examination, the composition on different topic. So what are composition anyway, or essay you can say it. In a composition, you are mostly supposed to give your opinion about an issue. An issue means your topic, and support it with the help of logical arguments. Means you can give the logical arguments, you can support your topic, you can support your content with the help of examples also. Means you can give different examples. Can you see the screen? And today, what is our composition? And the topic is, where there is a will, there is a way. This is a very different topic, and you did not write before it on it. So the topic is, where there is a will, there is a way. Yes, Aliza Khan, are you taking the class, beta? So everyone take out your English language copy, right? So the topic is very different. So first, I will recommend you to take out your copy, then we will discuss about this topic. So write the index or maintain the index. Okay, you have already written final term. Write the date in your index, everyone. Composition, where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, so write the index. I will appreciate if you switch on your cameras, everyone. Yes, Taha, Khizra. Khizra, write the index, beta. Why are you sitting quietly? And Ayan, Naveed. Hurry up, beta. Barira Bajahat. I cannot see you. Ghulam Mustafa, Liza Khan. Before having your breakfast, you are taking the class, I know. And you should sharp your pencil, Roman, before doing it, before taking out. And Fatma Zahra, where is your copy, my dear? Take out your copy and write the. Yes, yes. First group, only group A, I believe you have written half of the composition and you have understood about the composition. So it is very helpful to comprehend more. Okay? Yes, I know it. Okay, done index, very good. Now everyone, I believe, had written the index. It's very easy. The topic, where there is a will, there is a way, right? And then what to do, guys? In your language copy, you have to make the title page. My goodness. And in title page, you will, my goodness, yes. You have to make the title page. And as you know, and as you do always in your title page, you write all the keywords, word bank on the title page. Okay? So, how to write? You can decorate, you can adorn your title page with different color, but you will write the word bank or vocabularies, new vocabularies for this composition that will help in writing the composition. So you will write the words. Mentally prepared, determination, achieved goals, willingness, if you want to do anything, compensate, willpower. This is not the auxiliary verb will, but it is willpower. Lame excuses and frequently ill. Frequently ill. Where is this? Okay. Have you written all the words? Here I have written the willpower, frequently ill. Yes, beta. Okay, done index. Yes, you have written Aman Khurram, you have written I know. So no need to write it again. The title page or word bank or vocabularies, you need not to write it again. Okay, I'm waiting. Where there is a will, there is a way. Mentally prepared, achieved goals, determination, compensate, willpower, lame excuses, and frequently ill. Then we will discuss about it. And I'll give you examples to support this topic. Have you done the title page? Sadanjum, where are you? Hanna Rahil, Ghulam Mustafa, Alina Abid. Yes. Now, Now, stop writing if you have written the title page. Now we are going to discuss about this topic. I will explain you. Okay, stop writing. Put your pencil aside. Fatma Tuzaira, have you written the title page, my dear? So guys, this topic is an English proverb. This is an English proverb. Proverb means a short saying based on the general truth. Proverb is the short saying stating the general truth. Where there is a will, there is a way. Mean, what does it mean? It means when we have strong willpower, strong will to get something. Will means wish. If you want to do something strongly in life, we will achieve the goal in the future surely. If we do not have the willpower, if we do not have the determination, we cannot be successful. We cannot achieve the goal. Everyone generally have a goal in life and we work to achieve. If we want to achieve our goal in life, goal means the purpose, the target. However, the final goal is achieved only by the people who have strong willpower. Means final goal is achieved. How it is achieved? Only by you if you have strong willpower. Okay, Asharali? Asharali, are you getting me? Please take in, yes, take interest. Do not do anything. See the screen only. Okay, we should have a strong determination. Determination means destiny or purpose or object and willpower towards our goal. We should have means we should be particular about our goal, our objectives. Means if you want to be, some of you want to be engineer, doctor, so you should be particular about the goal, about your object, about your destiny. Are you getting me? If we do not have a strong determination and willpower, we do not work hard. If how can we work hard? How will we work hard? If we do not have a strong determination, if you do not have a strong power, willpower should be in yourself. The strong determination should be in your internal. So, and thus we cannot achieve our goal in our life. If we do not work hard for any object, for any target, for any destiny, we cannot be successful and we cannot achieve our goal in our lives. So, where there is a will means if we have a strong determination, if we have a strong willpower, we can get our target. We can achieve our goal. We can come true our dreams. We can be successful. Okay, are you getting me? I hope you are getting it more clearly. So, more about the topic. It is fact that we can do a difficult work if we are mentally prepared to do it. If you want to do it, first you have to be mentally prepared. Your mind will be prepared. Your mind will be ready for that. Yes, Ashar? Do you want to say something? Okay, okay. So, if you want to have, to do anything, to have any goal, Tehzeeb Pirzada, how are you, beta? So, okay. So, willingness develops interest, and a person pays attention, pays towards his goal. Means willpower, willingness means if you want to do anything, if you have will to do anything, so it develops interest. Means if you want to get first position in the class, so it develops interest towards the studies. You work hard, you give more and more time to your studies, and a person pays attention, and ultimately you pay pay attention towards your goal, means towards your first position. Our strong willpower creates a way of surely to get success. Your strong willpower. Either the target may be too difficult, but the ladder of willpower, the ladder of strong determination. Okay, Muhammad Ali bin Salman, are you getting me, beta? So, strong willpower will be, maybe, your ladder of success. It create a ladder. What ladder? To willpower, of willingness. So guys, it is very necessary to have the willpower in yourself. Okay? Okay, I will show the title page, beta. Okay, guys, take a screenshot and oh, okay, Hafsan Amal, Aisha Qaisar. Okay, beta. Okay, I will show it. First, listen me attentively, carefully. Then I will, inshallah, show you again and again. Okay? Don't worry about it. So, as we see in our daily life, in your daily life, in your school life, a good student is one who is willing to gain knowledge. Always, a good student, a working hard student, is one who is willing to gain knowledge. He is always attentive in the class. He listens the lecture carefully. He writes the important points that will be helpful in his comprehension, in his understanding. A willing student easily compensates the loss in studies if, whenever, God forbid, if the student, a good student, becomes ill. He will easily compensate the loss in studies. He gathers the work from others. He coordinates with the teacher. And compensate means come over the loss in studies. And he never gives up. He never gives lame excuses. Right? Okay, do not talk each other. Attentive. Please be attentive. You are talking about Ramzan Mubarak, I know, but please, okay? So guys, willingness is the key of success. Strong determination is the key of success. You can do whatever you want to achieve. You can get in your life. Okay, I'm showing you the title page, guys. Please write it again. Yes, this is the title page. Write it. Who was asking about it? Mentally prepared, determination, achieved goals, be particular about the spellings, ACHIEVED, frequently ill, lame excuses, willpower, and compensate. Write it. Yes. Who is this? Yes. Mentally prepared for it. Asher, pay attention, beta. Okay? So have you written, I believe you all have written the title page. So we have done the index, we have done the title page. Now we are going to do now you can give the example of King Bruce. Have you ever heard about King Bruce? King Bruce was the king of Scotland. Once he lost his war. He ran away and hid himself in a cave. He was very much discouraged. So he lost his confidence. He was sitting over there when he saw a spider. The spider, when it was near at its home, it fell down. The spider fell down again and again, but he did not give up. He did not lose its effort, and finally it succeeded and it reached its home. The spider taught the king the great lesson: never lose your efforts and try again. The success is come surely. So you can write the story and you can write the example of King Bruce in your content. Okay? Are you getting it? Okay. So guys, now we will do, and you can also give the example of Thirsty Crow. How Thirsty Crow got successful and got the water by throwing the pebbles in the pitcher. The water was very much down and he could not drink water. But strong determination, strong willpower of drinking water made him successful. And he put the pebbles in the pitcher and drank water. Okay, you can write this example also. So, this the lesson you should heed. Try again, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again, try again. Your goal will be like this. Your phenomena of life should be like this. This the lesson you should heed. You should not understand, and it will be difficult. So try again to comprehend it, try again to understand it. Work hard, have strong determination. What happened, Taha? Done title page. Okay. So beta, you can give two examples I have given you. Now we will start the work. Now after title page, what to do on your new page? Okay, write the date. Ashar, hurry up beta. Yes. Roman, Hebadil. So what to do first? Listen guys. Whenever you write the title, whenever you write the composition, I told you many times, and I always try to make you understand that whenever you write an essay or composition or an application or letter, never write the heading. Okay, like essay, SSAY, and application on the top of the page, APPLICATION. Do not write, no need to write it, the heading. Just write, this is your copy, that's why you will write the date. In examination, you are not supposed to write the date over there. But in your copy, first you will write the date. Today is 13/4/21. And then you write on the red line the topic. Where there is a will, there is a way. I have written the first letter of each word capital. It's not necessary. You can write with this, the first letter should be capital, and you will write with the small also. Who is asking which composition? You have joined me now. Okay, listen me carefully, then you will ask. We are going to write the composition. The topic is where there is a will, there is a way. It is included in your final term syllabus. So, first you will write on the red line the topic without any quotation, inverted commas. You can see properly, intently on your screen. I did not write The quotation mark, neither quotation mark nor inverted commas. Just I have written the topic. No need to write that is not a saying. We are just going to write the essay on it. So we will write the topic. Have you written all? Have you all written, my dear? Okay, Taha. Yes, Ali. Ruman, what you can't see? No, you can see everyone is watching the screen. Okay. So the topic, have you written? Now we are going to start. There's a king on your screen? Okay. What? Now are you watching, guys? Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Okay, okay. Wait. Can you see the screen now, my dear? It's paused. Okay, 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 okay. Now, are you watching my screen? Oh my. Oh. Okay. Yes. I have paused the screen. That's why you are not able to see the screen now. Okay. So guys, have you written the topic on your screen? Okay. Tazib. So how to start your essay? Just write. Okay. Now just write. Okay, beta. Now, two finger leaves. Start writing your composition. Hamad Madni, have you joined me late? Hamad? So, start your composition, leaving two fingers. Okay. Just right underneath of the red line on your first line of your copy. Leave two fingers and then start writing. Yes, Hibba? Do you want to say something? Yes, Roman. Aliza Hamad Madni, are you writing, beta? Okay, Khizra. Yes, Khizra, what do you want to say, my dear? Unmute yourself.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस
Walaikum assalam.
मिस रेड लाइन पर ये लिखना है टॉपिक का नेम
Topic, just topic. And please speak in English. Do not ask me in Urdu. Yes, you should write. That's why I have written over there, Khizra, on the red line, my dear, where there is a will, there is a way. I said do not write the essay, means ESSAY, the heading of essay as you write always. Just write the topic on the red line. This is very simple. Oh my goodness. Okay, the meaning of English proverb, where there is a will, there is a way, is when we have a strong will to get something in a life, we can get in future surely. Generally, we all have a goal in life which we work to achieve. I will appreciate if you write yourself and show me whenever you submit your copies. So, but for some people, I have written over here. This is for your streamline. This is your for your just an example. You can write yourself. It is a fact that we can do a difficult work if we are mentally prepared to do it. One who is unwilling to do some work will not do it properly. However, the final goal is achieved. Please be particular the spelling of achieved. ACHIEVED. Yes, what happened, Zoha? Yes, beta. Unmute yourself if you want to say.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum salam.
Miss, we have already done the half of the paragraph in school.
Yes, so no need to write the first paragraph again. If you want to write, you can write in the second paragraph. Okay? So guys, right? Most of us do not succeed in life as they do not have a strong determination towards achieving the goal. This is your first paragraph. And please, please, guys, whenever you change the paragraph, do not skip the line. Okay? Just write the next line. Yes, we have gave the example of the screen. It will be the examples will be helpful in your writing if you want yourself, if you want to write yourself. As we see in our daily life, as we see, yes, I have given the example, beta, on the screen, Taha Ahmed. You will add, you can add the examples in your content. Willingness develops interest and he pays attention to what is being taught. A willing student can easily compensate for the loss in studies. He never gives lame excuses. We are talking about unwilling student who does not want to get success and who does not want to get studies. So he does not have willingness. On the other hand, an unwilling, yes, Roman, what happened? Yes, Roman, what do you want to say, beta? Unmute yourself.
Miss, could you please send me that we have write this all?
Yes.
Okay, Miss.
Should I turn the page, Ashar Ali? Have you written the first page, my dear? No? Okay. I'm showing you the first page. Okay. Oh my. Yes, hurry up, beta. We don't have much time. So as we, how to change the paragraph? Just write the next line without skipping line. Leave two fingers just on the line where you are starting the second paragraph. Yes. What happened, beta? What do you want to ask me? Ilsa Tanzir. Okay, beta. Wait. Where are you? Ilsa, can you write in your chat? What do you want to ask, beta? Yes, yes, yes. I wrote something else. You can edit it. You have written yourself, Ilsa. So you can add these lines in the second paragraph. Only your group has written the first paragraph of this topic. The three groups did not write. That's why I have planned. Uh, yes, you can write Ghulam Mustafa. You can write the examples of two examples I have given you, the thirsty crow and the king Bruce. You can add up and you can write in your content in the second paragraph. Okay. So guys, have you written the first page? Now I'm going to turn on the page. Okay. Three. Yes. Okay. Sure. Okay. Right, beta. Fast. A willing student can easily compensate for the loss in studies. He never gives lame excuses. We are talking about the willing student. On the other hand, now we are giving the example of an unwilling student. We are comparing two students. Okay? Okay, Tehzeeb, have you written beta? Liza Khan? Fatmatul Zehra, have you written beta? Now, this is the second page. If you are writing on first page, so no need to change the paragraph here. On the other hand, an unwilling student is unable to find out a way. He is unable to solve his problems. He cannot do his homework without help. So he always gives lame excuses. He frequently falls ill just because he is not willing to study. So now you can write over here the examples. One of the examples like Thirsty Crow or King Bruce, you can write over here. It's up to you. Now the third paragraph, this is the last paragraph. How to change the paragraph without skipping the line. Leave two fingers just and start writing the last paragraph. So this proverb teaches us, means the proverb, which proverb? Where there is a will, there is a way, teaches us that if we really determine to do something, we can do it. Sometimes the task may be too difficult. However, the strong willpower helps us to control all the difficulties. Hence, it is truly said, and be particular about truly, T-R-U-L-Y. Do not write E. Unlike surely. Okay, very good. I will appreciate. I will give you comments, good comments, Hafsa Nawal. Very good, beta. Hafsa Nawal. Hanna Rahil. Okay, Hanna. Write yourself, my dear. So this proverb teaches us that if we really determine to do something, we can do it. And now with the help of examples, with the help of sentences, you can write yourself easily. Maybe too difficult. However, the strong willpower helps us to control all the difficulties. Hence, it is truly said. I am saying again, be particular about the spelling of truly. You always write T-R-U-E. That is wrong. It's not T-R-U-E-L-Y, but it's T-R-U-L-Y, truly. Where there is a will, there is a way. Oh my God. Yes. वो click हो गया. Yes. So this proverb teaches us that if we really determine to do something, we can do it. Sometimes the task may be too difficult. However, the strong willpower helps us to control all the difficulties. Hence, it is truly said, where there is a will, there is a way. This is the last paragraph. ठीक. वो pause थे ना, skip हो गया. Resume हो गया मुझे. Okay. Yes, Asher. What happened, beta? Yes. Unmute yourself, my dear.